So I'm at my friend's house and we're always looking for little details to enhance the home experience here. Today we have these new smart RGB lights. Actually, this one is from XM Cosy. These are string lights. They're gonna be hanging from the ceiling, kind of like those ones that you guys see over there on top. Yeah, similar, but these ones are RGB lights. So we'll be able to change the mood with the colors, everything controlled through an app. Look really, really nice. And then over here, they also sent me this motion sensing solar powered lights. They're going to be on the road. So I'm planning on putting these ones somewhere over here to this pad that goes all the way to the swimming pool, like right over here. This is gonna be perfect for that. So join me to see how these lights work. Maybe you want to do something similar to your own place. Let's see how these work. Let's go. So let me start with this post right here. Let's open up the box real quick. Instructions. They're plastic. Oh no, these are like aluminum. Yes. Okay, so these are the little lights. Look at that. These are solar power, so the solar panels are here. These are like motion sensors. They seem very simple, but they look really nice too. Look at that. What do we have here? And then we have the controller, so a smart bridge. This is most likely going to connect to your Wi-Fi, and then you'll be able to control everything through here. All right, guys, so the assembly process, it's super easy. I'm gonna show you step by step. That way you have an idea how to put them together. So first of all, this is a little head, and then we're gonna need one of these little posts right here. These are made of aluminum. Really nice. So you can choose which side you want to use. It doesn't really matter. There's like a little rail right here that you need to make sure that you align it. So it's going to go right here. Just press it as much as you can. There you go. On the other side, we're going to use this little base. Also has this little rail, so make sure you use the correct side. In this case, it's here. So as a matter of fact, you can actually use it like this. It has this little holes so you can screw it. Maybe you want to put it on your ceiling. I don't know. You can use this little holes, and it includes the hardware too, so you can use this screws. But in my case, I'm not going to use that. I am going to use these little stakes right here. Basically, all you have to do is just put them in the base, then twist them, and that's it. That's it. You already have your first post put together. Now to connect it is a different story. Here's a little solar panel, right? So what we're gonna do is we're gonna twist it. It's gonna open up the little lamp right here, and it has a battery right here, which is going to be the one that is going to be recharged with a solar panel. And then we're gonna press it right here, power up, and it's flashing already. That means that it's ready to be added to the app. Let me show you how that works. So now make sure you download the app. You can download it on the App Store from Apple or also Google Store. The app is called XM Cosy. There's going to be links right here in the instructions. Open up the app, sign up with your email, your Wi-Fi and everything. It's super simple. Now, you guys know I already added one of the lamps. So make sure that you go right here to the add a device. Now while we're looking at the device, make sure that you turn on this light right here. It has to be flashing, so just in case if it's not flashing, press it 3 times. 1, 2, oh there you go, actually it is flashing now. Add. It is pairing right now. Once it's paired, it's going to be solid light. Simple as that. It's already added. Now let's put it together. Close it, and that's it. We're set to go, my friends. All right, guys, so I already added all the lights here. I grouped them. Look how beautiful this looks. I'm gonna go through the app and show you how everything works. It's actually very, very simple. So here is the main app. Let's go into the actual front of the app. Here you can see all the lights already added If we click on the first one, on the top, you have control over everything. So here first we have different scenes. So I'm using the working scene. I think it looks beautiful, right? But there's one that's called reading. It's more like a warm light. This is nice. Then this is the night light. It's a little bit dimmer, you guys can see. So it's a little bit dimmer, but you can still see the pathway. This one right here is called leisure. It's a little bit brighter. And then grassland, this one is kind of interesting because it gets green, but it starts getting a little bit dimmer. It gets brighter right now, and then it starts getting dimmer. Look at that. It stays dim, and then it gets brighter again. So it's really nice. This one right here is called colorful, and it's going to start changing colors. There you go. It just sort of like a blinks a little bit, and it changes colors. Looks really nice too. But if you want something simple, you can always go for the working one. I've noticed that this is a very bright scene right here. There's also, you can choose different colors. Right now I have the blue one, but you can move the little dial right here and everything changes to different colors, which is really nice. You can power down everything if you want. You can power it up again. You can also choose the brightness here. That's it. Or if you want just a simple white color, here it is. Oh, I noticed that one is a different color. What's going on over here? There you go. So now they're all sync. Sometimes I notice this one right here is a little rebel, so it tries to just not sync. But once you change the colors, everything sync with no problem. So another thing I noticed is that right here, this music one, what it does is like it's using the microphone from my phone, so it works with the music that you play on your phone. So that's pretty awesome. It doesn't have like a sensor each light. No, it works with the microphone from your phone. I'm not going to use it right now because I'm actually screen recording this video, but it works really nice. So let's go into this sensing here, and this is where you have options like sensor sensitivity. I have it in the middle, but you can have it low or high, but I think like in the middle works fine. Hey, get out of here. Get out of here. Come on. And then we have luminance detection. So we have this one during day, evening. I'm probably going to put this at night because I want this to work at night for the most part, right? And then we have sensor duration. We have the lights at 10 seconds. We can choose like minutes too. So let's say I want it to last longer. So I'm just going to put it for 1 minute. Right, in 1 minute. Yeah, confirm that. So once they turn on with the sensor, my guy is going to trigger. There you go. He's going to trigger, and now it's going to last 1 minute turned on. And then we also have the timer right here. Now for this, the timer to work, there's some other options. For example, the timer, also voice commands, and also a share. You can share this the app with other people. They can control it too. But you need to have the smart bridge. I haven't connected the smart bridge. I feel like that is optional. But once you have this lights connected, you can make them work with the app, and everything works perfectly fine. The bridge is just optional. It's nice if you have voice commands. You can control everything with your Alexa or Google. But other than that, you don't need that. You can make it work with the app. And other than that, I just want them to work with a sensor. I think that's what I want, with a sensor. There you have it. So this is what I like about it, the sensor. I don't want them to be on all the time, although you can do that. You have that option too. But with the sensor, they work fine. All right, guys. So I have these other lights. These are RGB lights, and I'm planning on installing them like right here on top. I already have some of them right there. I don't know if you guys can see them, but these ones right here are solar powered, and they're alright, but they're not that bright. And also they're just one color because the solar power grid is over there. So I'm going to remove those, and I'm going to install these new ones. You can change colors, you can control them with the app, you can use even voice commands if you want to. So let's do a quick unboxing. Look at this. This is 72.5 feet of lights. So a whole chunk of them. So let's install them and I'll tell you how they work. Let's do this. So before I install them, I want to make sure that they work. So I have them all plugged in already here. Here's the power button and there it is. They're all working fine. All right, so let's do the installation now. All right, guys, so I am back right here with this setup at night and look how beautiful this looks. This is such a great upgrade. I mean, these lights, not only they look beautiful, they can change colors, but they are bright. Look at that. They are very, very bright, and you can change that. You know, you can make them dimmer, you can change patterns, you can change colors, you can set up timer. So let me go through the app and show you all the features that you can expect. So let's go right here to the same app. It's the XM Cosy. And I already added these lights to the app, same as the pathway lights. So once you add them, click on that, and then you can select how many lights you have. In this case, I have 22 lights. So once you select that, you can control, I guess you can control each light, but I want to have everything as a group. They already come as group. So first of all, you can change the color. You guys notice that? Beautiful, beautiful colors that you can change, different moods. I mean, it looks gorgeous. On this side, you can just use plain white. Then you can change scenes. So this is, for example, the do-it-yourself. This is something that I did. It just goes around different colors. There's also a scenery, and there are so many choices that you can choose. So this is, for example, flower harbor, lotus flowers. I mean, this looks beautiful. Let me go to a different angle so you guys can have a better perspective here. Look at that. It looks so, so nice. And also on top of that, for example, Father's Day, you can change speed. You know, right now it's at 79%. You can change that to 100% so it goes a little bit faster. You can change that also, the dynamic effect, rebound, rainbow. So it keeps on changing colors a little bit faster. You can save that. But what I'm saying is that you have so many choices with this kit. There's also music. So with music, what it does is it utilizes the microphone from your phone, so that when you play music from your phone, it'll react right here with the lights. So that's an example right here. Joe, Joe, Joe. I'm not sure if this is working because I'm recording from my phone, so I know the microphone is being utilized with my voice. And then over here you can select the timer. You can add a timer right here, so you can have the lights automatically turn on at a specific time that you want. So yes, these are the lights, and these are the effects that you can use. I think it's beautiful. I love it. There are different sizes. I think this is the 72.5 foot size, but I'm going to leave links in the description of the video. You guys can check it out and let me know which one you like the best. I honestly think this is a great addition to this part of the house, and summer's coming very soon. We're gonna have people here, and I'm pretty sure they're going to love these lights. Let me know in the comments below, what do you guys think about? Look at that. This is the party. And then over here I have the other ones that I just show you guys one more time. The pathway. Boom boom. Boom boom. Boom boom. There you go. So I have everything right here. Oh my god, I'm so happy with these lights and the pathway over there, or the party lights over there in the back. So that's it for this video, guys. Check out the links in the description of the video. Thank you so much for stopping by. I'm Jolster, and I'll see you guys on the next one. Jolster out.